Welcome back to the Promarks workshop. My name is Rick Hurd, service manager at Promarks, and today we're going to show you the servicing of a vacuum pump. We use Bush vacuum pumps in all of our double chamber machines, single chambers, and tabletops. This one right here in particular is the RA0100. It is a 5 horsepower vacuum pump, and I'm going to basically go step by step at how you would do the servicing of this pump. Okay, so the first thing is you would drain the oil. And this is your oil drain location right here. So you're going to turn this valve, drain out the old oil. You have also an oil filter on this end right here. We're going to replace that as well. And you're going to make sure when you get ready to do your oil change, you get your oil in stock, you're ready to go, get your oil filter. And then we're also going to be talking about changing the exhaust filters. And the exhaust filters are located right here on the end of the pump. You pull these caps off right here, and you've got these exhaust filters right here that are located in there. And this particular pump has 2 of them, just like this right here, and they come in different sizes depending on the size of the pump, and we would replace those as well. So after you've drained your oil, you've got a sight glass right here, and your sight glass, when you're going to go back to refill after you've replaced your oil filter, you've changed your exhaust filters, you're going to refill the oil from this fill cap right here up on top. Open this up and go on the sight glass to half of the sight glass. That's full, it's halfway. Half to 3/4 is full, no more than that, don't overfill. Okay, so once you've filled your oil back up, you're also going to clean your inlet filter, which is right on top right here. There's this housing right here with 4 bolts on the top where you can see the vacuum lines coming in. You're going to open that up, and there's a screen filter right there. It's a cleanable screen filter. Don't have to replace it, just keep it clean. So open that up, clean your filter, replace that back on top, tighten everything back down, and you're ready to go. A couple final points is that we recommend that you do an oil change every 500 hours of use on these pumps. That is the pump manufacturer's suggested time for when the oil change should be done. Our machines are also equipped with a timer on the control board with the PV01 control boards, and it will tell you and have a flashing light when it needs an oil change. That light will not stop the machine from working, but it will give you an indication that the time is expired, it's ready for an oil change. Now, last point is to make sure that you give us a call if you need anything. We stock the filters, oil, exhaust filters, parts, rebuild kits for all these pumps. We have all those in stock, and please give us a call if we can help you out with all those. Give us a call or check out our website. You can look and order parts online. So I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.